Hello everyone, my name is Inga Vanga from IVQS Quantity Surveyors. We are here today at Khwantsana Junior Secondary School in Lady Frere. This is a CSI project we're doing with Inkumbuzo Photography, where we collaborated on a school photography project. Khwantsana is an area in Lady Frere which is a very impoverished area, and I'm sure most, if not all, of the kids in the school have never had an experience of school photography. Hence I felt it would be good from our company to sponsor this kind of initiative. I can afford the school. That's what I'm going to before and I can afford the before we are having people now who are charging for the well, my child, so close to the bigger part, such so we are having one for there. Okay, we want to also hopefully we want to go. If I want to get from We're building a school here. It's a big project. It's about 40 million rands. It started beginning of this year. It should be ending in around October next year. It's a state-of-the-art school with all the facilities that you can think of. It's in a rural area, which is something that is not used to in the Eastern Cape. Hopefully, with them getting a school like this, it will help them improve their marks. And also, part of the project that we're doing with Inkumbuzo is to motivate kids to dream big. And I also grew up in Lady Frere, in an area similar to this, and I've managed to make something of my life. So hopefully these kids one day will grow up and want to emulate what I've done. So that's what we want to do with this project. Thank you.